Hello everyone, it is Monday, May 3rd. The time right now is 4:45 p.m. and the temperature is 11 degrees Celsius. This here is Sheppard Avenue West, and that's a York Region Transit bus, the 105 Dufferin, and that's about to turn north onto Allen Road. And just north of here, Allen Road turns into Dufferin Street. I'm going to cross over to the south side of Sheppard here and head back into Sheppard West Station. And just to the west of here is Downsview Park, along with Downsview Airport. And that is the next stop north of Sheppard West Station. Well, it's more to the west than it is to the north, but it does go north from there. And there's a look west along, or east along Sheppard Avenue West. My original plan was to go for a walk along Sheppard Avenue. That was to start here at the station and head all the way over to Yonge Street. But when I got here a few minutes ago, it was raining a bit too much for my liking, as I didn't bring an umbrella with me. So I thought, I'll save that walk for another day and let's do an impromptu tour of Sheppard West Station, formerly known as Downsview Station. This was built in 1996, and it was the northern terminus of the western side of Line 1. And back when the subway was expanded north of here, that would have been, I think in 2017, it was renamed Sheppard West Station. Also, this was to have been the western terminus of Line 4. That's the Sheppard line. But that line only got partially built, so it covers just 5 stations along Sheppard Avenue East. That was originally to extend from Scarborough Town Center to the east, all the way here at Downsview, now Sheppard West, to the west. And there's currently a 10-day subway closure between here and Wilson Station to the south. So what I'll do is I'll head through this passenger pickup area and we'll go take a look around the bus platforms. And I'll head down to the subway platform and see if I can hop onto a northbound train and just take that one stop to Downsview Park Station. Again, this wasn't something I had planned. It's a very last-minute walk, or a station tour, whatever you want to call it. They do have these people in red vests set up all throughout the station to help people find their way to the shuttle buses. The station does have washroom facilities. It's one of the very few that does.
Southbound shuttle towards Wilson, straight behind. Southbound towards Wilson, straight behind. Southbound towards Wilson.
And this would be the main bus loading area. There's a look at all the TTC routes that you can connect to from here. There's where you'd grab the Sheppard West Express. I remember coming up here back in university and grabbing, I think it was a 192, or that might have been the Airport Express, but there was a York University Express bus that was, of course, before they extended the subway up to York University. And I used to board that bus on this side of the platform. I've never even heard of this route, the 107 St. Regis. There's the rather expansive commuter parking. This is one of the busier stations. I think it ranks around number 15 in the city. And well off into the distance there, I think that's the Yonge and Eglinton skyline. So that's where I'll be heading to after this. And there's the look facing Downsview Park. There's where you'd grab the 84 Sheppard West over to where Sheppard Avenue terminates at Weston Road. That bus there will head up to Driftwood. That's in the Jane and Finch neighborhood. I also used to have to come here and grab the Dufferin North bus. I briefly worked at an office up near Dufferin and Steeles. And these people would be boarding this shuttle bus, and that'll be going south down the western part of Line 1. It's quite a crowd of people. I think they're doing some tunnel upgrades and maintenance. So let's head down to the subway platform. These people have seen me walk through here a few times now. This is one of the nicer stations. It's quite open and airy. So this is where I came in, and where I started would have been just over there on the north side of Sheppard Avenue.
Yeah, right upstairs, top of the escalator. Line 1 shuttle bus is upstairs. Line 1, upstairs.
According to that sign, the next northbound train will be here in a minute. So that side of the platform would be closed off, as those would be southbound trains. Back when this was called Downsview Station, the lettering from Downsview was the only signage in the TTC where the first letter was capitalized and the rest of the name Downsview was in lowercase. But they abandoned that when they renamed this Sheppard West, and it looks like we're going to have this end of the train to ourselves pretty much.
Please stand clear of the doors.
This is kind of
Please
cool.
stand clear of the doors.
So we are here at Downsview Park,
Downsview Park.
or we're here at Sheppard West. The next station will be Downsview Park, and then Finch West, and then York University. I am planning to come up to York University and do a video, as well as around Vaughan Metropolitan Center, so you can look for those in the future. Line 1 uses these more modern... Oh, that's loud. As I was saying, it uses these more modern subway trains with the open gangways, so you can walk between the cars.
Downsview Park. Downsview Park Station. Doors will open on the left.
So since we're here, let's just go for a walk outside of the station, or at least head to the exit.
Please stay clear of the doors.
This is, I think, the second or third least busy station on the subway network. I have done a video that explored this station and Finch West, which is the next stop to the north of here before. There's a single line GO station here as well.
Help stop the spread of COVID-19. Please wash and sanitize your hands frequently and avoid touching your face.
So there would be, I think that's the western
Please do your
exit.
best to stay at least 2 meters or 6 feet away from other customers and TTC employees.
Let's go this way and see where it takes us.
Nose, mouth, and chin covered at all times when riding the TTC. Exemptions apply.
And here I was thinking I was about to go on an hour-long walk along Sheppard. So there's the lookout towards Downsview Park. And you can follow that path there over to Sheppard Station or Sheppard Avenue. So I think Sheppard West Station would be over in that direction where we just came from. There's a Centennial College campus here as well. So let's just head over to the GO train platform. I think this is the Barrie line. And listen to these squeaky shoes. The volume is so low here, it's not even worth paying people to man the ticket booth. I was hoping I'd get lucky and catch a train, but there is nobody in sight here. I think this would be a view to the north. Well, it looks like the next train won't be here for almost 30 minutes. So on that note, I hope you enjoyed this impromptu exploration of Sheppard West, formerly Downsview Station, as well as heading over here to Downsview Park Station. Let me know your thoughts and comments down below, and if you enjoyed this kind of video, I will be posting more transit videos on this channel, and I tend to post a lot more transit videos on my other channel, Johnny Stumbles, so if you like this sort of thing, head over there. There's a link to that channel in the description. In fact, I have a subway video going up on that channel later today, or the same day that I post this, and I have another transit video planned for that one shortly too as well. So head over there, and thanks for watching, and I will catch you on the next one.